This is Luna, a college student. Due to this pandemic, her classes are held online. But last month Luna found some issues on the motherboard of her computer. She knew if this issue was not resolved quickly, she could miss her classes. So, she immediately looked for her nearby motherboard repair service provider. While scrolling on the internet, she found out iTech Xpress, a reliable repair store. She visited their website https://ichexpressinc.com/ and got amazed to find out many things. iTech Xpress has its own stock of genuine device parts, and this is why they offer quick repairs. All of their technicians are professionally trained and experienced. iTech Xpress offers quick and most affordable repair service. Not just this, they also offer a specific guarantee on repaired items and on their services. Luna didn't waste any time, she quickly contacted iTech Xpress. Within a very short time, Luna got back her repaired motherboard and she started taking online classes. Do you also have the same issues on your motherboard? Contact iTech Xpress at 626-777-4747. You can also browse their website as mentioned earlier.